Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst you're hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today it is Saturday. I come to you pretty much fresh face, hair's a bit of a mess. I did I'm trying a new routine. So I usually like wash, deep condition and all that kind of thing on a Saturday. However, what I'm trying to do is to try and get the most out of my Saturdays. So I have now chosen to do all that on the Friday, and that way I can kind of style it and do whatever I need to do on the Saturday, and then get a little bit more done on the Saturday, just because I find those of us with natural hair, it can sometimes take a while. So as it stands here now, this is it just drying from yesterday, so it's obviously shrunk. So I'm probably just gonna do some cane rolls on it later on, but I just wanted to jump on and yeah, get my day started. So in today's video, I'm just basically pottering around the house, doing some much needed tidying up, because the place is an absolute mess. And I also wanted to, what was the word? That was it, rearrange my makeup area drawer. So I have a drawer that I have here. Let me show you. So it's like here, and there we go. I hope you can see it. So that's basically where I kind of like the makeup area here. And what I wanted to do, I've got like a little trays and stuff, but what I did was I bought some other trays from Amazon. Oh, I can't even get hold of them. Yeah, so I got some trays from Amazon. Let me just see if I can flip you around. So I got some of these different sizes. So what I want to do is pop them into that drawer and just organize my makeup a little bit better. I feel like that might help me be a bit more efficient in the morning when I'm getting ready for work, or just when I'm putting on makeup and stuff. So that is the main goal for today. Oh, and I actually grabbed a couple of things. There's a lot of sales on at the moment, and I grabbed 2 dresses from ASOS. Yeah, so I grabbed 2 dresses from ASOS. One's from Mango, and then one is from ASOS, like their own brand, just something simple. The one that I got from Mango, oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a leopard print maxi strapless number. It's stunning. So I hope it fits and looks exactly how I envisioned it to look. So I will try that on with you guys later, and I think that's pretty much it for the beginning of this video. I'm gonna just kind of get my sheets in the wash, get them hung out, and start kind of cleaning up, because as I say, the place is an absolute mess. So I usually like to just pop on my headphones and get to cracking, put myself on some Kendrick. Oh, I'm going to see him in Birmingham in literally, I think about 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. Kendrick. Yeah, Kendrick Lamar. I go see him about 2 weeks. I go see him about 2 weeks. Yeah, she thinks so. Oh, anyway, so yeah, so I can't wait. Cannot wait. I've not watched anything on socials. I've avoided it like the plague, because I'm like, do you know what? When I get up into that arena, not even arena, you know, the arena, I'm like, yes, I want to see, I want to be like, I just want to see everything for the first time, like everything. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. need to figure out what I'm going to wear, what I'm going to do. I think I've got a wig that I've not worn yet, so I think I'm probably going to wear that wig. It's like a curly one, it's really nice. A little bit like what she calls scissor. So yeah, probably, it's not red though. But yeah, anyway, I digress. So I'm going to have something to eat first. Actually no, put my sheets in the wash, then come back to have my overnight oats. Once I've had my overnight oats, then I'm going to get my headphones on and get to cleaning. So I will pick you up in a bit. Ooh. Hello. Ooh. I'm back and very, very warm. It's very warm in the UK. Anyway, so I've pretty much done most of the cleaning. I'm just waiting for my sheets to dry and then I'll pop them back on the bed. And I thought, you know what? Let me do the makeup thing now whilst I'm kind of in the mood. Now, I showed you earlier before what my makeup setup looks like at the moment. What I didn't show you is I have this little area here where technically I put up so that I could do my makeup. It has like little drawers in there, and I'm thinking, do I put my makeup in that? I mean, that's kind of what it was supposed to be for, in all fairness. And I've just not used it. Now I'm going to see if these will fit in there and how much will fit. I've just got hair stuff in this one, that's like wig stuff, and then like tech stuff in that one, just so I kind of knew where it was, but I'm happy to rejig it. So first of all, I think what I'm going to do is go through the makeup itself and just see what I want to keep and what I'm going to get rid of, see what space I've got. Or how much of whatever I've got, and then and just, yeah, go through, see what I've got, what I want to definitely keep, what I'm going to get rid of, see how much of what I've got left, and then decide where I'm going to put it. I think that's probably the best way. And I've now realised that if I am to do my makeup or what have you in that little spot, I need a mirror. I don't have a mirror there, but then I think to myself, will it look odd to have two mirrors next to each other? So obviously there's moi here, but then that's where that is, so I don't know if it'll look a bit odd, but if I am going to utilize this space, I am gonna have to get a mirror, because one cannot do one's makeup without a mirror. So I'm gonna grab myself a towel, pop all the makeup onto the bed and start going through it. Okay. So I have placed everything on the bed. Oh, let me just flip you around. So that is pretty much everything. I actually went through it a little while back and got rid of quite a bit of stuff, and there's stuff in here that I don't often reach for and that I need to kind of get rid of. So I think what I'm going to do is focus on the things that I know that I do reach for first off, and then see what I've got left and then kind of go from there. I think that's probably the easiest thing. I'm not going to bore you guys through going through going through each item, but what I will do at the end is show you what I've kept and what I'm getting rid of and what the finished product looks like. Hello. Hello, and I'm back. It is the next day. As you can see, not much has changed. In all honesty, I did finish tidying my room, doing the sheets and all that thing, and I think by the time it was so warm yesterday, and I just got really overwhelmed with like sorting out makeup, and yeah, so literally I finished doing what I was doing and then I went downstairs and binge watched Bosch on Prime. So yeah, that's what I did last night. But I did get the makeup sorted, so I'm going to flip you around and show you the outcome of that and the bits that I got rid of. I didn't get rid of that much stuff, to be fair. There is a lot of stuff in there that I kind of have I don't similars, not exactly the same but similars. So what I want to do is work my way through some of those items and cull it down a little bit more, but I will flip you around and show you now. So this is these are the items that I got rid of. As I say, just a few things. Now this is the Anastasia brow thing. I want to like that, but I just don't. I've bought it and rebought it and I just don't like it, so getting rid of that. That's just an empty, that I don't use anymore, and just a few bits. So that's basically, and then there's like a pencil what's it, eyeliner there, and then the reveal. So I managed to get my makeup in both drawers. So I've tried to do it in, what's it called, categories, but these are quite small, these drawers, but it still worked out well. I've managed to get everything in that I use. The only thing that I couldn't get in there was my eyeshadow palettes, which I'll have to keep somewhere else. But yeah, these little containers I got off Amazon. I will link them in the description just in case you are interested. And then here is just the other drawer. So I managed to get them both in there, which I am very, very pleased at. And I think I mentioned as well that I wanted a mirror potentially up here, but I've had this travel one that I never use. So I think what I'm going to do for the time being is just use this one if I do choose to sit and do my makeup here. I should really. I usually just stand up in the mirror and do my makeup when I could probably just be sat there doing it. So yeah, so that's that. And what I am going to show you next is the couple of pieces that I picked up from ASOS. So yeah, I will try them on for you now. So this is the first dress, and it is literally, I just wanted something really simple for the summer. So it is literally just a black strapless dress. It's fitted, and it's got a little bit of a what's it called, oh, it's flowy. It's not fitted. The length is perfect, as you can see. So I'm about 5'7", 5'8" on a good day. Fits really nicely across the top here, on the bosom. Yes, I'm very pleased with this actually. I was a bit nervous. Material's nice. Yeah, material's okay. It's nice and light, perfect for the summer. Perfect, easy little dress this. I think it's something that you could pop on with your trainers to dress down, or if you was going out for an evening, you could put on some little heel, your necklace, dress it up. But yeah, very pleased with this. I might check if they've got in a different colour. Very nice. Ooh, yeah. And I've got this in a size, I think it's size 10. Let's just double check. Yeah. So this is a UK size 10. Okay. Very nice. I'm so extra. Right, I'm gonna try on I'm gonna try the next one on now. But that's the dress. Yes. Now this is the dress that I picked up from Mango. I don't know if in comparison to when I tried on that black simple one, I don't know, I like the length of it. I think the length is perfect. It's a lovely, you know, bohemian style dress. I think this was close to £100. Material doesn't feel that great. I feel like it's a little bit scratchy. Not sure if I love this. I liked the idea of it when I saw it on the model and stuff, but it's a nice dress. Also the elastic that comes up to here, and technically I think it's a little see-through, and I think you'll be able to see my bum cheeks. if we were out and about. Covers literally here, so this gathered part here, yeah, so this is like gathered. Oh, actually I might as well just do this. Yeah, so this gathered part, as you can see, it's lovely. It's just not really, I don't know, looks like, I feel like look like I'm pregnant in it, and I'm not. So I don't know, I think I might have to send this back because it's not doing everything that I hoped it would do. It's not as flattering as I feel like this could have been a little bit stronger in its like sucking in, to help give you a bit more shape around here. I think it kind of leaves you a little bit, you know, yeah, I know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I think I'm going to send this one back. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. This had sold out, I think I got the last one online, but I will leave the link to this just in case they do restock on ASOS. As I say, it's not cheap this, but I think I'm going to send this one back. Size 10, I got this in as well. So I feel like if you are to get it, maybe size down, just because of this. Look at, can you see it? Like there's just a lot of material. So yes, I think this is an unfortunate one that I'm going to have to say no to. Right, lovely people, I think I'm going to end the vlog there. I've not got much to, well, I've got quite a few bits to do today, but nothing that I feel like I'm going to vlog. I've got to figure out this head before tomorrow. I've got some cooking to do, got some editing to do, got my nails to do. Still got quite a few bits to do today, but I just thought I'd come on and show you them. So I am a little bit disappointed in that mango dress, because for the price it just looks really cheap. Even the print, I'm not loving it. But, and isn't it crazy that I think the dress that I got, the plain black one, I think that's like 17 quid possibly, and that to me, when I put that on, I thought, ooh, opposed to the one that was like 100 quid. But anyway, I hope you've liked this week's vlog. Please do make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos coming up. I'll leave links to everything that I've shown you in today's video in the description box. If you've got any questions or anything at all, please do leave them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. See ya.